Hey JupyterX users, want to update your website logo and not sure how to do it? In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to change your logo using Elementor, the WordPress Customizer, and when the Simplicity mode is activated. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme with 200,000 plus users, 450 plus ready-made websites, exclusive WooCommerce features, and no Elementor Pro needed. Let's dive in and give your site a fresh new look. In JupyterX, the logo is created and managed by Site Logo Widget. So in order to edit logo in a page, we should edit the Site Logo widget in that page. For example, logo in this website is placed in the header, so I should edit the header. Let's head over to the Elementor editor by clicking on Header. This will open up the header editor. Now I will click on the current logo to open up the Site Logo widget settings. If we want a simple method, especially if we want it to apply only to the current header template, we can change the logo source from Customizer to Custom Logo. Now let's upload our custom logo. Let's click on Select. And we've now applied our custom logo, and as you can see, it's displaying on the header. Now I'll click on the Style tab so we can customize the look and feel of our new logo. Okay, we used the custom logo to change it only for this header template. But if we want to update the logo across the entire site, we better keep the source set to Customizer and edit it from the Customizer settings. To open the WordPress Customizer, just click this link or access it from the WordPress admin panel. In the left-hand menu in WordPress admin, find Appearance. Then, click on Customize. This will take us to the WordPress Customizer, where we can tweak the site's appearance. In the Customizer sidebar, find General Settings box and click on Logos. Alright, I'm going to click on the Remove icon on the primary logo. And now I'm going to click on Choose Image to select a new logo. Now let's click on the Publish, and our new logo will be visible on the entire live website. It's important to note that if Simplicity mode is enabled on JupyterX control panel, the custom logo upload option and the Site Logo widget will not be available. For example, let's take a look at this website where Simplicity mode is enabled. If we click on the logo, we can see that Custom Logo option is not available as logo source. And we can only change the logo source via Customizer or the Elementor site settings. Let's try the site settings this time. To access the site settings, I'm going to click on this Site Settings icon here. Site Identity. And click on the logo here. And now I'm going to click on Upload Files here. And click Save Changes. Now I'm going to click the X to close the Site Settings panel. Ooh, look at that. The logo has been updated in the header of a JupyterX website with Simplicity mode on. Let's publish the changes. And that's it. You've now got 3 easy ways to change your logo in Jupyter X: by uploading a custom icon, using the WordPress Customizer, or via Elementor site settings if simplicity mode is enabled. Hope this video helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Jupyter X tips and tricks.